Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to unblock someone on Reddit. So let's go ahead and block someone for no reason whatsoever. We'll block this person. Okay. So usually just open their profile, click on these three dots, and then you block their account, right? And then you get this page. So we've blocked this person. And to unblock them, you can go and visit your settings to manage who you've blocked. So I'll go here. It's usually in your account settings in the privacy section, or you can go to their profile, right? You usually go to their profile, can search them up right here, and then you click on this blocked icon in yellow. Okay, if I click on this, he will get unblocked. As you can see, this person is now unblocked again. And also on your settings in the privacy section, you would be able to see the people you have blocked, and you can unblock them from here as well. Okay, so those are the two ways you can go to unblock people. Really that easy and simple.